Welcome to my Vedic math classes. In today's class, we are going to learn how to find the square of any two-digit number within 3 to 4 seconds. Let us take a look at today's examples. We have to find the squares of 34, 47, 58. So how do we proceed? 34 square, you know already. So 34 consists of two digits 3 and 4. So write the square of 3, that is 9, and the square of 4, that is 16. And whenever you get a single digit as a result, you prefix it with a 0. So it will be 0, 9 and 1, 6. And the next step is multiply first digit, second digit with 2. So 2 times 3 times 4, that is 24. And finally add a 0. And then write it at the bottom like the way I have written 0, 4, 2. And finally add it. So 6, 4, 1, 5 and 9 plus 2, 11. And that is your answer. Let us take a look at other examples. In this question we have 47 square. So what we need to do, 47 square will be, write the square of 4, write the square of 7, 49, and then multiply 7 and 4 times 2. 7, 4, 28 times 2, 56, and followed by a 0. And that is your answer. 9, 6, 4, 10, and then 6, 5, 11, and 1, 12, and carry 1 again, so 2. So this is your final answer. Similarly, finding square of 58, 25, 8 8s are 64, and then 5 8s are 40 times 2, 80, followed by a 0, and that is your answer. 4, 6, 3 and 3, 3364. Now here are few questions for practice whose answer you will write in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And if you wish to have online classes, here is my website as well as Facebook page, situtors.in, and we conduct online classes for these subjects. You can always get in touch through my website. Thank you very much. See you in the next class.